Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your FAB Bank's credit card. FAB, or First Abu Dhabi Bank credit card, can be cancelled in just a few steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in bankfab.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website of First Abu Dhabi Bank. Click on the customer care button at the top right corner from the main home page. Now it'll take you to the contact us page, from where you will be able to find the customer service hotline numbers on the screen. Go ahead and make a phone call on the numbers provided depending upon the location you are in. Once you make a phone call, provide your account details and request the cancellation for your credit card, and remember to settle any outstanding balance before cancelling your card. So that is how you will be able to cancel your credit card for First Abu Dhabi Bank. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.